Kirly-sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Kirly-sue's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making vegan strawberry mousse. It's so simple. It only has 3 ingredients and you can make this using stuff you probably already have in your kitchen already, which is great. So let's get on with making vegan strawberry mousse. So you're going to need 350 grams of strawberries, or about a punnet, 250 grams of silken tofu. Silken tofu is best for this, it's better than the other tofu, 3 tablespoons of jam, and you're also going to need some strawberries to decorate. So I've just got some small ones here and cut them in half and left the leaf on top. Right, so to make this, it's super simple. All you do is move these out of the way. Okay, so all you do is put all of the strawberries, those strawberries, into the food processor, close it, and then you're going to blend it until they're smooth. Halfway through you're going to scrape the sides down. When they kind of look like this, then you scrape the sides down just like that, because you want to make sure everything gets blended, and then place the lid back. So it should look something like this. You just adjust the camera here so you can see. Yeah, so like that. So once it looks like that, then now you're going to add the tofu and the jam. Scrape it in. So it's 3 generous tablespoons of jam that you put in. So you're going to put the lid back on, and then you're going to blend this again until it's smooth. Now once it looks like it's smooth, then what you want to do is just scrape down the sides. Like that. And then go again. Right, so once that's blended and it looks like that, then you want to taste it to see if it's sweet enough, which this one is. Yeah, that's fine. And then now we're going to spoon it into some ramekin dishes and refrigerate it for an hour, and then we'll decorate. Now I have some ramekin dishes like this, so I'm just going to spoon it into the ramekin dishes and refrigerate it for at least an hour, and then I will decorate. I just fill that first one up. Now if it gets a little messy on the sides, that's okay. Just take a little bit of kitchen roll or a cloth, clean cloth, and then just clean it off like that. And then that's ready now to go into the fridge. I'll just do one more. So you basically keep filling up the ramekin dishes till you've used up all the mixture. So this should make about 6 or 7, depending on how much you fill up the ramekin dishes. And this is quite good. So this is a really quick and simple dessert to make. It doesn't take much time at all. And it's only a few ingredients, which I love that. I also have some little ones, little pots like this, so you can do smaller ones as well. it up all the way to the top. Right, so we're ready to now to refrigerate those. After an hour, remove it from the fridge, and then we're going to decorate. Just place some strawberries on top, just like that. I think 3 should be good. And that's it, we're ready to serve. And then there you go, and that is our vegan 5-ingredient, well 3-ingredient strawberry mousse. So the strawberry mousse has been in the fridge for just over an hour, so now I'm going to taste it. You get a fresh taste of the strawberries, and then it's kind of a light, slightly creamy consistency, and then you've got the fresh strawberries on top, which I use to garnish. You've got to make this, you've got to try this, this is great. And definitely, let me show you how it looks, the consistency, like that. So it just looks like regular mousse really. And I like the colour of it as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click and subscribe so you see more vegan videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. After an hour, remove it from the oven. Remove from the oven. Remove from the oven. Remove it from the fridge.